Hey, what's up and welcome to the video. In today's video we will talk about Instagram, what it is and how making money with it works, okay? So yeah, basically what Instagram is, it's a social media platform that you can build a following on, that people can follow you in. You put out content in a specific niche, for example, in the business niche or in the motivational quotes niche or how to make money with Instagram niche. What you do is you put out content in that niche and people follow you for that, right? And then you build your following. You maybe get the first 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 followers. Now the question is, how can you make money with it? How can you make money with Instagram with your following? And the only thing that you can do to make money is you have to sell something, okay? To make money with Instagram, write that down, take a pen, take a paper, because this is what you have to become really good at. You have to become really good at selling something. It can be, like we will talk about the different stuff that you can sell. But first, let me take this pen and show you how it works, okay? So step number one is build a following, right? Okay, that's step number one. Okay, you need a following, you need an audience that you can sell something to, right? So you have your following, you build it, right? And then step number two is you sell something, right? You have your audience, you have your following on Instagram, and then you start selling something to it. And what you can do is there's so many ways, there's hundreds of ways how you can sell something or how you can make money with Instagram. You can do affiliate marketing, which means you can sell someone else's product. We also have an amazing affiliate program for the Instagram University 3.0. You can sell coaching codes, right? So you can, for example, if you're in the business niche or on the how to make money with Instagram niche, you can just sell coaching codes for $100, $200, $300. Over the time, go up with the price, right? And you can just sell coaching codes. This works really, really, really good. Like one of my students, in his first week of Instagram, he got like 1,000 followers, and with less than 1,000 followers, or with those 1,000 followers, in the first week he already made like $400 with coaching codes. Pretty easy, right? Another strategy is you can sell promotions, you can do one-on-one mentorings, you can sell digital products, physical projects. You can sell coaching codes. You can sell like services, right? And there's so many ways, right? These are just a few of the ways, and inside the money making module we will talk about that. But step number one is you build your following and then you start selling something. And once you sell something that works, once you make money with something that works, step number three is you have to optimize the process and you have to automate it, okay? And you do that by building a funnel. Okay, a funnel, we'll talk about that in the IPF formula, but I'm just telling you right now what step number three is, because it's always important to have the big picture, right? I want you to have the big picture. I want you to know what the steps to like making money with Instagram are. So you build your following, you start selling something, and with this, you will make your first $1,000, okay? And then once you make your first $1,000 with something, what you do is you build a funnel for it and you optimize the process, because a funnel is basically like a machine. You build a machine that automatically sells one of your products, right? And that machine sells it automatically, and then the only thing you have to do is you have to send new people into that machine. Okay, that's step number three, and with it, you will get to $100,000. That's what we will talk about in the IPF formula and about the 100 group, but those are the three steps. Okay, step one is build a following, step number two is sell something and figure out what works for you. And step number three is build a funnel for it, optimize the process, automate it, and scale it up to $100,000. Okay, that's the process. That's what we will talk about inside the Instagram University 3.0. Okay, and yeah, inside this video, I just wanted to explain to you how that works, what it is, and how making money with Instagram works. Okay, we talk about the different ways like affiliate marketing, selling coaching calls, selling one-on-one mentoring, selling promotions, selling services, selling digital products, selling physical products. There's hundreds of ways, right? You can even create like logos and content for other people. At the beginning, you maybe do that, you create content for other people, you make your first $1,000 with it. What you then do is you just automate it, okay? You hire someone from maybe India or Pakistan or from Bali or whatever for a cheap price, who creates the content for you, and then you build a funnel, automate the whole process. The only thing you do is you send people into the funnel that automatically then sells your product or service, and you have someone who creates the product or the content, for example, right? That's how it works. That's how making money, that's how getting to $100,000 works. Inside the Instagram University, we will get you to $1,000 so that you, first of all, have the experience and that you realize that everything is possible in today's world, and that you know how you can make money with your Instagram account, right? And then in the 100 group and in the IPF formula, we will talk about building your funnel, getting your whole Instagram account and business to the next level, and scaling up to $100,000, okay? Thank you so much for watching the video. And in the next one, we will just talk about Instagram in general, how the platform works, why it's so amazing. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message to the VIP support. Like if you are inside the VIP program, just send an email to the VIP support, or ask me in one of the live streams or on the mastermind channel, or send me on Instagram if you aren't inside the VIP program. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.